Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how I created this different marble design. These and this may look the same, but they were created differently. So I'll be showing you the marble techniques I use when working with my clients. So if you're interested in this kind of content, kindly keep on watching. To do 3 different marble techniques. So I'll be using these colors from Venalisa. Okay, just and this orange as well. It's a beautiful color. So you take a nail art brush like this and you I think this blue is too much, so I want to add more green. And also more orange. This orange is almost finished. So you just swirl forward. So this is what it looks like. The second method, we're going to mix this, I love this orange so much, but it's finished. So, like that, you pick a dotting tool, then you mix it together. So this next design I'm going to do looks like, okay, it's similar to the third design I'll be showing you, just a little bit different. So you take a brush, a flat brush, pick like this, then you prick again, once more orange, so just be picking and be adding like that. You can also use your brush to spread the polish to any length, any way you want it to go. You can use your brush to spread it. So that's that. So this is it. This is what it looks like. So I set the The third design is similar to the second one, but for this third design you'll be needing a base coat. This is a base coat from a Nigeria nail product, gel polish product, Ons Gaga. So we're going to be putting the base coat. But for this design, for it to be very beautiful, you don't need the base coat that is thick. You need a very light base coat so that the polish can spread very well in it. So after applying your base coat, you use your flash brush as well to pick the polish and spread. Okay, can you see the way this is spreading easily? So for me, really, this is the best method. I love this particular method. Okay, so this spreads easily. So this is the third method. So this is what we have at the end of the day. This is the first marble technique. This is the second marble technique, and this is the third one. So now, this is the one that we used the nail art brush to mix the polish, the three different polish on the white on the nail. You can see what it looks like. It's also nice. It's fun as well. Then this is the one where I mixed the polish in the palette before scooping it onto the nail. And this is the one where I used the base coat before applying the colors on it. You can see that the white of this one, the white background, is not as bright as this. I believe the colors, because of the white, because of the base coat I used, I believe the colors from this marble pattern seeped into the polish, thereby tinting, making it a little bit tinted. You can see it's not as bright. The white is not as bright as the white of this other one. So this is what we have at the end of the day. I use these techniques depending on what my client wants, and the one I use mostly is this. When I started my marbling technique, this was what I used to use. Then I graduated into this because I was more confident on how to, pick the polish and transfer it on the nail. And this is the one I just discovered recently. I didn't see it anywhere. It just came to me that I could try it, and I really liked it. So if you want a subtle marble, you can go with this technique. It makes the marble nail art to be a little bit soft, so it's not that in your face. It blends well with the background color. But if you want something more pronounced, you can use any of this method. So I have come to the end of today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos State, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are product reviews, nail tutorials, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. And while you're subscribing, you can also hit the notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and also share to anyone that might be interested in learning something new. Till next time, bye guys.
Just now waiting, they call me. Him no waiting. not over me. Fine girls and plenty, but he leave them and he chose me. Him say I see be no other girl fit overthrow me. I no go do you gonna. Hey, you my true lover. Whether winter or summer. Baby, me no go freak out. I know you like Nkechi Jollof. I know you like my beans, You like my beans. I know that she giving you fufu. You put them for my soup. Baby, what you gonna do? Yeah. Listen, no time for tumbum. Umaka de jumbum. Forget your jumbum. No time for tumbum. Umaka de jumbum. Oh yeah, now tumbum. No time for tumbum. Tig bag, all because of Ileke. Share your baby know where you there so.